In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of starting a successful writing group from scratch. The benefits of being part of a writing group are numerous and can immensely contribute to your growth as a writer. Here are some tips on how to find the right members for your writing group. Define your group's goals. Are you looking for critique partners, accountability buddies, or a mix of both? Are you targeting specific genres or writing styles? Tip: finding members. Start by reaching out to fellow writers either in person or through online writing communities such as social media platforms. Be clear about your expectations. This includes the frequency of meetings, the commitment required, and the type of feedback you expect from members. Remember, finding the right members is a process, and it may take time to build a cohesive and supportive writing group. Tip: find the purpose. It's important to decide on the purpose of the writing group. Are you seeking critique and feedback on your work? Are you looking for support and motivation from fellow writers? Or maybe you want to focus on specific genres or writing styles. Tip: determine the frequency. Determine the frequency and duration of meetings, as well as any expectations for attendance and active participation. It's important to set realistic expectations that accommodate everyone's schedules and commitments. Tip: establish guidelines. Establish guidelines for sharing and critiquing each other's work. This can include rules for constructive criticism, respectful feedback, and maintaining confidentiality. Encourage open and honest communication while fostering a supportive and encouraging environment. Tip: setting goals. By setting goals, you create a sense of accountability and motivation within the group. It's essential to have a clear structure and purpose for each meeting. Start by setting an agenda that outlines the topics to be discussed, any writing exercises or prompts to be shared, and any specific goals for the session. Additionally, it's beneficial to designate a facilitator for each meeting. This person can help guide the discussion, keep time, and ensure that everyone has an opportunity to participate. Tip: incorporate writing exercises. To make the most of the meeting time, consider incorporating writing exercises or prompts that stimulate creativity and inspire new ideas. Tip: time management. Lastly, be mindful of time management during meetings. Set specific start and end times and stick to them as much as possible. By organizing productive meetings, your writing group can foster a supportive and inspiring environment that allows members to unleash their writing potential and achieve their goals. In conclusion, starting a writing group can be a transformative experience for aspiring writers. Embrace this journey, and you'll discover a supportive community where your writing skills can thrive. Happy writing!